Hey there, future online course creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the world of online course creation and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to design and launch your own online courses in 2023. If you're passionate about a topic and want to share your knowledge while earning money, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your course topic. The first step in creating an online course is choosing the right topic. Think about your expertise, skills, and the knowledge you can offer to others. Select a subject you're passionate about and confident in teaching. Consider the demand for your chosen topic. Is there an audience eager to learn about it? Conduct market research and identify a gap you can fill with your course. Recommended tools. Websites like Google Trends and Udemy's Insights can help you identify trending and in-demand course topics. Step 2. Outline your course content. With your topic in hand, it's time to outline your course content. Break down the information into sections or modules, and then further into lessons. Each lesson should have a clear objective and learning outcome. Keep the content organized and sequential, ensuring a smooth learning experience for your students. Recommended tools. Tools like Trello, Notion, or even a simple spreadsheet can help you create and organize your course outline. Step 3. Create engaging course material. Now it's time to create the actual course material. This could include video lectures, written content, quizzes, assignments, and more. Make sure your material is engaging and valuable to your students. Consider using a mix of formats to cater to different learning styles. High-quality videos, well-structured slides, and interactive elements can enhance the learning experience. Recommended tools. Video creation. Software like OBS Studio, Camtasia, or even smartphone apps can help you create professional-looking video lectures. Presentation. PowerPoint or Google Slides are great for creating engaging slide decks. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on online course creation and other ways to make money online. Step 4. Choose a platform for hosting your course. To share your course with the world, you need a reliable platform for hosting. There are several options available, including online course platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy. Choose a platform that aligns with your needs and budget. Some platforms offer easy course creation tools, payment processing, and built-in marketing features. Recommended tools. Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy are popular online course platforms with user-friendly interfaces. Step 5. Set a price for your course. Setting the right price for your course is crucial. Research the pricing of similar courses in your niche and consider factors like course length, content quality, and your expertise. You can opt for a one-time payment, a subscription model, or even a tiered pricing structure with different levels of access. Recommended tools. Websites like Podia and Precionomics can provide insights into course pricing strategies. Step 6. Market and launch your course. Before you launch, create a marketing plan to attract potential students. Utilize social media, email marketing, and your existing network to generate interest. Offer a launch discount or early bird pricing to incentivize enrollments. Use engaging visuals and compelling copy to highlight the value of your course. Recommended tools. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit can help you build and manage your email list. Launching your online course in 2023. Remember, your passion and expertise will shine through in your course content, so put your best foot forward. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on online course creation and other ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to becoming a successful online course creator.